In this video, I will show you how to install Google Sheets on Windows 11. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to download Google Sheets on your laptop or PC so you can open spreadsheets quickly and use it more easily. Also, if this video does help you out, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 and Google tutorials. Now to get started with this, what you want to do is open up a internet browser and come across to google.com. Now I just want to note at this point you do need to use Google Chrome. This won't work with another browser, so make sure you do follow along and do this with Google Chrome. Once you're on google.com, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, and then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this icon to open up your Google Apps. From here, scroll down until you see Google Sheets and then give that a click to open up your Google Sheets. Now to actually download and install this as an app on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and then hover over the cast, save and share option. What that's going to do is bring up a submenu like this, and you're going to see in this submenu there is an option to install a page as its own individual app. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a window like this. You can choose to name your app from here, so I'm just going to call it Google Sheets. Then what you want to do is click onto install. Now once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to download this as its own separate app. And if we come back to my desktop, you can see it's now been installed as an app on my Windows 11 laptop. So when I double click this, it's actually going to open up Google Sheets as its own individual app. So that is how to install Google Sheets on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.